Hello everyone, this is Devayani Khedkar from Bharat Vidyalaya Akola. In this part, we are going to discuss how to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. Let us see example based on it. Draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 cm. Take point Q at a distance of 5.5 cm from the center. This point Q, it is at distance of 5.5 cm from the center. That means point Q is outside the circle. Construct tangents to the circle from point Q. Take distance of 3.4 cm between the tips of compass. Draw the circle. Let point O be the center of the circle. With the help of ruler, take point Q at a distance of 5.5 cm from the center and draw segment OQ. This is point Q and this distance is 5.5 cm. Now we have to draw tangents through point Q. Draw perpendicular bisector of segment OQ to get midpoint of OQ. For that, take distance more than half between the tips of compass. Draw arc above OQ, below OQ. By keeping same distance, place tilt tip here at point O. Draw arc like this. These are the point of intersection. Draw a line passing through this point of intersection and thus we get M, midpoint of segment OQ. Place tilt tip at point M and pencil tip at point O, that means take distance OM between the tips of compass and draw a circle, or you can say arc. These are the two arcs, or you can draw arc like this. Here we get 2 points. This arc intersects circle at point A. Let this arc intersect circle at point B. Draw line QA and draw line QB. This line intersects circle. This is line QB. If you observe this line intersects circle at one and only one point, therefore this is tangent to the circle. This line also intersects circle at point one and only one point, that is point B, and therefore this line is also tangent to the circle. Thus line QA and line QB are tangents to the circle from point Q, and point Q is outside the circle. See next example. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 cm and center E. Take a point F on the circle. Take another point A such that E dash F dash A and FA equals 4.1 cm. Draw tangents to the circle from point A. Take distance of 3.4 cm between the tips of compass and draw circle with center E. Take point F on the circle. Here I have taken point F on the circle. Draw segment EF. Draw ray EF. FA is 4.1 cm and we have to take point A and FA is equal to 4.1 cm. Therefore, taking distance of 4.1 cm between the tips of compass, place tilt tip here at point F, draw arc. This is point A. We have to draw tangents to the circle through point A. To get midpoint of AE, draw perpendicular bisector of AE. Take more than half distance between tips of compass. Draw arc above and below EF, EA. Point of intersection are this and this point. Draw line passing through this point of intersection and let M be the midpoint of EF. Now placing steel tip at midpoint of EA, that is point M, placing steel tip at point M and take distance of EM between the tips of compass and draw arcs. Draw arc. This arc intersects circle at 2 points. Let these 2 points are P and Q. Draw ray, or you can draw line AQ. Similarly, draw line AP. Thus, line AQ and line AP are the tangents to the circle from the point A, which is outside the circle. Next problem is, draw a circle of diameter 6.4 cm. Take point R at a distance equal to its diameter. Take point R at a distance equal to its diameter from the center. Draw tangents from point R. Here we have given diameter of circle and we know the relation between diameter and radius. Radius is half of diameter, and since diameter is 6.4 cm, radius is 3.2 cm. Here circle of radius 3.2 cm is drawn. Let O be the center of the circle. Draw ray passing through the center. Now point R is at distance equal to diameter. Diameter is 6.4 cm. Therefore, we can say that point R is at a distance 6.4 cm from the center, and therefore take distance of 6.4 cm between the tips of compass and draw arc by placing steel tip at point O. Here we get point R. To get midpoint of segment OR, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment OR. Here place steel tip, take more than half distance between the tips of compass, then place steel tip at point R. Draw arc above and below OR, ray OR. By keeping the same distance, draw arc above and below segment OR. Draw line passing through this point of intersection, and now we get midpoint of OR. Taking steel tip or placing steel tip at point M, taking distance OM between the tips of compass, draw an arc. This arc intersects circle at point A and B. Draw line RA and line RB. Line RA and line RB are the tangents from point R, and which is outside the point R is outside the circle.